In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize text using Sketchpad, a versatile online drawing tool. First things first, let's open up Sketchpad. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in the URL sketchpad.app/en. Sketchpad is a straightforward and user-friendly digital drawing tool accessible right from your browser, so there's no need to install any additional software, which makes things really convenient. Once you've got Sketchpad open in front of you, you'll see a host of tools on the left side of your screen. For this task, start by selecting the Text tool, which you can recognize by the T icon. This tool is essential for adding text to your canvas. Click on the Text tool, and you'll be ready to start composing your text right on your digital canvas. Now, with the Text tool activated, you can click anywhere on the canvas to begin typing. When you do this, you'll notice a text box appearing. This is your cue to start typing your custom text, whether it be a title, a quote, or any other wording you need to incorporate into your project. Feel free to experiment as needed with fonts and sizes that best fit your vision. After typing your desired text, it's time to get creative and customize it even further. Sketchpad offers various options to help you fine-tune your text's appearance, so you can really make it your own. You might want to play around with the font size, color, and style, or perhaps adjust the alignment and spacing to ensure everything looks perfect and just as you imagined. These customization features are great for making your text stand out or for matching it to the rest of your design elements. Once you're satisfied with your text, its position, and styling, it's time to move or resize it, if necessary. For this, you'll need to switch over to the Select tool, located at the top left of the toolbar. This tool is visually represented by an arrow. With it, you can click and drag your text to reposition it anywhere you like on the canvas, or use the corner handles of the text box to resize it to your preference. Finally, when your text is perfectly positioned and stylized, let's save or export your work. On the left side of the screen, locate the Save Export icon, which resembles a floppy disk. Clicking on this icon will bring up options to save your creation. For maintaining any transparency in your design, choose the PNG format. Alternatively, if you prefer a standard image format, the JPG option is available. Once you've made your selection, your file will be saved and you're all set. And there you have it, folks. That's how you can efficiently use Sketchpad to add and customize text. With these simple steps, you can enhance your digital projects and create eye-catching designs with ease.